Signum function. It is a very important and special functions. We will be using this in lots of numericals. So you see Signum function. So Signum function is defined as f of x is equal to mod x by x equal to, so you can see it would be remember that the you have to remember this, that x is not equals to 0. So, or you can write f of x as, it will be like this. So, you can clearly see, so where it would be 1 when x is greater than 0, it would be 0 when x equals to 0, and it would be minus 1 when x less than 0. So, let us understand this one more properly. So, let us say it will be, how will be the curve also we will see. So, let us say this is x and this is y. So, if I take here, so let us say this mod of x by x. So, if I take here minus 1, so minus 1, this one will become minus 1 become 1 only, and this one will be 1. So, it will get cancelled. I am going to get this as what? 1. So, then again, so that means here it will point to 1. So, if I take it here as 1, I am going to get, if I take here 1 or I take here minus 2, same thing, minus 2 will point to 1 only, right. If I take minus 3, it will point there only. If I take 3, 3 will point to 3. If I take 3, it will give me, oh sorry, I am doing one mistake here, sorry, very sorry. So, if I plot the graph here, I am sorry, I have just equated wrong, it is minus 1. No, so if I take minus 1, so all the negatives will point to minus 1 only. So, if I take minus 2, it will also point to minus 1. If I take minus 3, it will point to minus 3. If I take a plus 1, it will point to, it will have a image of 1. If I take 2, it will have image of 1, and so on, right, and 0 will be 0. So, there will be only three images. It will be 3 images. So, what do you think will be the domain? So, the domain, and how will be the curve? So, if I plot the curve will look like this. The curve will look like, so we will be having a plus 1. So, this is the plus 1 only, and this would be only minus 1, correct, and there will be the 0 also, 0 is here. Okay. So, therefore, the domain, let us find out the domain for the Signum function. So, domain as you can see, it would be whole real from infinity set of all real numbers. So, that means we can write like this, or we can write like this also, minus infinity to plus infinity. And then what is the range? Range is all the y values. So, how many y values can you see? You can see here only 1, you can see minus 1, or you can see 0. Therefore, the range will be only 3. It will be only 3 values, that is minus 1, 0 and 1. That is it. This is the Signum function. Okay.